Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Kia Sportage? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Sportage. Driver's side fuse panel. The 2023 Kia Sportage driver's side fuse panel contains essential fuses for systems like lighting, power windows, and mirrors. It includes labeled circuits for easy identification and a fuse puller tool for convenient fuse removal. The panel also features spare fuse slots for replacements. Engine compartment fuse panel. The 2023 Kia Sportage engine compartment fuse panel contains high-capacity fuses for critical components like the engine, ABS, and cooling system. It features clearly labeled circuits for quick identification and a durable, weather-resistant cover to protect against moisture and debris.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.